In this video, we're going to work out a pie chart, and it's going to be on the mode of transport people take to get to school. So 30 walk, 40 take the car, 50 bus. So the first thing we need to work out is the angle each of these segments are going to make in our pie. And we use this formula here, number over total times 360. So let's work out the total first for this. So if I add up 30, add 40 and 50, I get 120. So to work out the angle for the walking, it's going to be 30 over 120 times by 360. If I put that into calculator, I get 90 degrees. Do the same for the car, so that's 40 over 120 times 360. That gives me 120 degrees. And lastly, for the bus, 50 divided by 120 times 360 is 150 degrees. Now we can check we got this right because these three values here should all add up to 360, which they do. So now we've got our angles for each of them, and we know that they add up to 360. Now we can put them on to our pie chart. So here is our pie chart below, and we move our protractor over, start it at 0, and now walking's 90, so we go round to walking, so that is here. And let's take it away, and we can draw a line then from there to the edge. Now I need to take my protractor, turn it round, start it again at the line where we finished, and we need to go to 120. Well, 120 is here. So put that over there, and we can put a line in. And then just to check that the remaining bit is 150, put that line on there, and as you can see, it goes to 150. So let's put in our title. Let's put in our key, and then you would need to colour in each of these in the appropriate colour. So this would go to blue, this is car, and this is bike. So just putting everything there. There is my pie chart.